Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha.
Fire, explain.
Oh, because people can't see life in fire, they think there's no life in it, so therefore there's no life in the sun. But it's just like the Tata factory. When you see it from a distance, there's many flames and fires, but inside there's many people who are working. Therefore, just because you can't see life in fire doesn't mean it's not there. We see life in the earth, we see life in the water, we see life in the air, so why not in the fire? Is that all right?
Now, question answer.
Well, one question is that the people in the Tata factory are not actually in the fire. They're not actually
They are also not in the fire. I say even if it is in the fire, there is no harm, because the living soul is not burnt to fire. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gītā. Adajayam, Daj. Daj means burn. It is not burned. This is a wrong conception. Because they have no conception of the soul. They think, Bhasibhutasya dehasya. The body is burned, then the soul is also burned. If the soul is burned, then where is the question of tatha dehantara prapti? How? In Hindu system, they burn the body. If the soul is also burned, then where is punarjanma?
We can accept that the soul is not burned, but what about the body?
Body is burned.
So how can any body
So
live in the sun?
if you have got fiery body, as your body is made of earth, the fish body is made of water, and so many others, different elements. So similarly, there the body is made of fire, fiery body. The so-called scientists, education is there, everything they conclude according to his own position. Therefore, abjananti magamura. They think Krishna also like me.
So the fish is in the water, but the fish is not water.
He is not water, but he has got a body suitable for the water.
So the people on the sun have earthly bodies who can tolerate heat.
There is no heat. They live just like they are not suffocated. They don't feel any inconvenience. They enjoy. Against the waves, they enjoy. You cannot go against the waves. They can go, even small fish. You'll find within this there are so many animals, so many. How they are living.
Also, science cannot explain how it is burning. Where's the fuel supply and there's no smoke?
Nothing.
No
They are all,
waste.
therefore we say simply rascals. We have given this title to them. Everlasting, all rascals. Mura. Mura na abhijanati, mame bapparava. How Krishna is working, they do not know. The scientist says there is no life. Just disagree with them.
No life?
And scientists, yes, they say there is no life in the sun.
In the sun.
No, they say in every planet there is no life.
Yeah, only the Earth planet.
Only the
Well, they have to qualify. They say life as we know it. They say there's no life as we know it, but there's subtle forms of life that they don't
as
know.
we know, but what do you know?
That's
You are rascal.
They're trying by radio waves to reach people.
Sarvaga, this word is Sarvaga. Jivatma is sab jagah hai. What is the meaning of the radios? Do you think that the radios are perfect? Do you think so?